My dear friends, how are you? My heartful wishes and respectable regards to all of you. Today's thought sharing session title Learn to Observe the Book of Life. My dear friends, in life, attachment and detachment both plays a very important role. Every day we come across questions like this. Why do we get attached to things? What is detachment? Can one live a life without attachment? Is attachment not necessary to feel emotionally connected? Or else will not one feel disconnected? There are a lot of questions like this. One has to understand detachment not by definition but by observation. Attachment means without this or that I refuse to be happy. That is feeling happiness only when we get something. If one is locked into this trap of attachment, then one is suffocated and feels imprisoned. Detachment is not being indifferent. In fact, attachment is being indifferent to the wholeness of life and being stuck to what you want. This is a form of being indifferent. Detachment is being objective. One respects what one wants and also to not be limited to what one wants. The sense of objectivity brings in impersonal approach, which makes one available to the whole. Hence it is said, if one door closes, the other door opens. So one is not stuck to what one wants. There is more sense and sensitivity in this approach. Quality of life is better with that detachment. That is why a surgeon will find it difficult to operate on his own child, for he is intensely attached, and in that attachment, objectivity is lost. In detachment, your love can be directed to the whole, and the whole includes the parts. If one does not feel one belongs, it is due to lack of love in one's life. The moment you are in love, you are connected. There is no disconnection. Look at detachment in a different way. Don't get identified. The moment you get identified, you feel trapped. Everyone in their respective countries is getting identified and hence becomes personal. And there are so many wars, and all these wars are in the name of peace. All of them feel they love their country. To love one's country is different from being identified. If you love your country, one does good to one's country. And if the country hates other countries, then not being attached, you will not get identified with that foolishness. And hence educate one's countryman and not blindly follow. Attachment brings in possessiveness, and when one is possessive, it is torture to oneself and to the other also. When you actually experience detachment, everything becomes alive, and only in that state of aliveness one can experience the divine. This is the vision of religion. You will not wait for God. You will not experience God. You will experience God. You will live in love and hence live in God. For God is love. Let us say I am here, you are there, the trees are there, the moon is there, and everything is alive, and hence no need to be attached. But be alive to the poetry of life. The flora and the fauna. I exist in the totality in which you also exist. Therefore, open your eyes and see the benediction of life. The possibility of closing your eyes is because of attachment, and detachment is opening your eyes. This is what the great saints are also saying. Loving the flora and fauna is freeing you from the prison of the parts. Loving the actual is freeing one from the illusion of one's fantasy. To such a mystery of life, let my world be awake. This is actually a very good statement. Therefore, my dear friends, the limit of attachment and the endless happiness of detaching from something. But you should understand the real meaning of detachment. Not just to go through the definition of detachment, you just observe it and let it and get practiced. Only when you get practiced, then you will observe the real meaning of the detachment and its benefits. Okay, therefore, my dear friends, let us all attach to something. At the same time, we must keep ourselves detached to also, so that life becomes very, very, very happy. வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வளமுடன், நல்ல எண்ணங்களுடன் வாழ்வோம், நலமுடன் வாழ்வோம், இனிய சொற்களையே பேசுவோம், எப்போதும் இன்புற்றிருப்போம். அன்புடன் சுகுமார்.